Let's get it together. Okay, come on, Tracey. We are reviewing today Rare Beauty's latest launches. They came out with quite a handful of stuff, okay? They sent me this PR box that you guys are seeing right now. Isn't she so beautiful? We're kind of like twinning. We look alike. We look like distant cousins. Okay, no, but for real, let's get this opened up. They came out with eyeshadow sticks, and you guys have no idea. Maybe you do if you guys have been following me for a while. You guys know that I have very sensitive eyes, so when they came out with eyeshadow sticks, I was just like, yes, ma'am. You know me, prima. Here are the swatches of the Weightless Eyeshadow sticks in order, as you guys are seeing on the boxes. On the box, not boxes. Sorry, I'm forgetting how to speak English today. So the first one, which is that one right there. First one from left to right is compassion, contentment, well-being, growth, integrity, and adventure. They also came out with an eyebrow pencil. You guys know I'm also the queen of eyebrows, okay? So excited about that. They also came out with this brow gel, and then this mascara has been out for a while now, and it's incredible. You guys will see, or you guys are seeing right now. It works pretty good. And these are all new long wear gel eyeliners. I have swatched the eyeliners for you in the same order. So we have the True Black, True Brown, and Compassion. So we're going to be playing around with all of these products. I'm also going to show you guys how they look, how they feel. You guys are going to get all of my opinions about these products, and you guys will also find out price points and all of that. If you guys have any additional questions that I don't cover in today's video, always leave your questions down below in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I'm able to. Let's get this review started, okay? I'm going to start by using the eyebrow pencil. I don't know, I've been in this kind of mood where I do my eyebrows before doing my complexion. And I used to do that backwards before. I don't know, I find it that it just looks better in my opinion. But when I used to do it backwards, I thought it looked better the other way. Let me know down below in the comments what way you guys do it. Anyway, we're going to go into this pencil. This is the Brow Harmony Precision Pencil in the color Deep Brown. And I'm just filling in any areas that look a little bit on the sparse side. I'm going for a very natural eyebrow look. I just got invited to a makeup event with Too Faced, and I'm over here trying to find somebody to go with me that is local to me. I do want to make some more friends that are in Orange County that are also creatives. So if that's you, holla at your girl. See how beautiful that just looks. It looks so natural, so pretty. You guys can see that this eyebrow right here grows upwards, and it's a lot more sparse in this area, so we have to kind of like make it work. Let's see if we can do that with this pencil. Oh my gosh. I have high anxiety right now. You guys cannot tell, but I am trying to get so much work done this weekend because my kids are with their dad, and I'm freaking out because I have so much to do in just one weekend because they're home for the summer and I don't really have any time to myself. I have like 4 days free in the month without my kids. Like they go over to their dad's every other weekend, so a total of 4 days in 1 month. That's really not a lot of time for me to be working this summer, but we're making the best of it. And I want to review some products that I'm really excited about, which are these. I'm loving this eyebrow pencil so far, and the pencils, the eye pencils that they just came out with, love, because I have very sensitive eyes. My eyes can't handle the powdered eyeshadows. Like I have to wear pencil eyeshadows and stuff like that so it doesn't fall into my eyes. It's crazy how I used to wear so much makeup in the past and not have my eyes get irritated as they've been getting lately. It's just really unfortunate. Anyways, I'm going to go into this brow gel now. I think it's a universal shade. It's a clear gel, and we're just going to be combing the eyebrow hairs in the direction that I want them. Like that. It's not a brow glue or anything. It's just like a little gel to keep them controlled, and it also helps me see what areas I still need a little bit more filling in. Like this right here, it needs some filling in. Let me go back in there with the pencil. Lately, I've been trying to handle life as best as possible. I'm very grateful every single day, but as of recently, it's just like balancing has been very difficult. Like I'm trying to lose weight. I'm at the gym. I'm also trying to eat better. I am home with my kids. I'm feeding them. I am trying to stay active with taking them to places for the summer vacation. I don't want them just to be home. I'm trying to balance friendships, relationships in general, like, you know, with friends, family, and all that. My work life from home. It's a lot, girl. It's a lot, but I'm hanging in there. Let me know how your guys' summer is going. Hopefully a little bit more calmer than mine. I just did my complexion off of camera. If you guys are wondering what foundation I'm using, it's the IT Cosmetics CC Plus Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream Foundation. This has SPF 50 and I've been wearing it since summer began. I forgot to talk about this eyebrow pencil a little bit more in detail about pricing and all that. So let's take a look here. The Brow Harmony eyebrow pencil retails for $19 and they have a total of 6 different shades. They have the color deep brown, which is the one I'm using right now, but they do have one shade above that that is darker, and that's soft black. I wish I got that color because my hair is on the black side, but here we are. They don't look too bad. My hair is starting to fade, but I'm definitely going to be retouching with some black dye here soon. It has an ultra fine angled tip and a spoolie on the other end. So here is the pencil and what it looks like, and on this side we have the spoolie. It also gives you waterproof definition, natural hair-like strokes. The angle tip allows for precise, detailed application. It fills in sparse areas easily. As you guys can see, it definitely does. This is the sparse eyebrow and it did pretty good. And then as far as the Brow Harmony Flexible Lifting Gel, this here retails for $17. It gives you shape, it lifts, it locks brows in place. It also has strong yet flexible hold, never stiff, not sticky or crunchy. It won't flake, and I definitely do agree it doesn't flake and it doesn't feel sticky. It's weightless, it's a clear gel for all hair colors. And now let's move on to my favorite, the item that I'm most excited about, which are the Above Weightless Eyeshadow Sticks. Each of these retail for $22. You can use it on your lash line. You can use it to shade out, smoke out, and highlight your eyes. You can wear these all day. It's crease resistant color, built-in sharpener. What? And it's available in 6 different shades. I'm somebody that is always go, 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 go with my lifestyle and being a single mom of 2 kids. So these are perfect for on the go. You can take these in your bag and then just start blending them out. You don't even need makeup brushes to use these. I'm going in with the color, this is the color Well-Being, and I'm just applying it all over. Doesn't have to be my neatest application because we're just going to blend this out with the finger. But you can see how beautiful this shade is. Oh my god, I pushed a little too hard, girl. So going in with my finger, I'm going to start to blend this out. Are you guys seeing this? Look how pretty that looks. It looks so soft. It just adds a perfect amount of brightness to the eyes. And if you really want to, you could add this as a brow highlighter. Just underneath the eyebrow like that. I'm telling you, these glide on so easy. Alright, now that I went in with that one, I kind of want to take this brown shade right here. This one is called Adventure. And with Adventure, we're going to be applying it to this bottom outer corner like that. And again, we're going in with the finger just to show you guys how easily these blend out and how you can do this in a matter of seconds in your car when you're trying to hurry up and get the kids to their football practice, to their cheerleading practice, whatever it is that you are doing this summer. Girl, I am so happy that my kids are involved in sports, because for me that was like such a big deal when I was growing up. You know, I wanted to be in sports because I did not want to be home. I just want my kids to like look forward to doing something, and I'm definitely going to be that parent that's there cheering them on at all times. I take a lot of pride in being present in my kids' life. Like, I would not trade that for the world. It makes me want to cry because I just like love them so much, but they get on my nerves sometimes. So what do you guys think so far? I just used 2 colors and I am loving it. Which color was that again? No. So I used the color Well-Being first, and then I went in with the color Adventure. And now I kind of want to go into the new gel liners. I think what I want to do is take this color right here. This is an eyeshadow stick before I go in with the eye pencils. I'm going to take this eyeshadow stick, and this is in the color Compassion. I'm going to take this to right underneath the eye right here. And again, it doesn't have to be your neatest application. I'm going to go in with the finger and just start to lightly blend this out. You see how soft and pretty that looks? I'm obsessed. Okay, now I'm going to take the mahogany, well actually let me tell you the actual name of it. This is called Compassion. This is a Compassion gel liner, and I'm going to put this at my waterline right here. Keep in mind I have very sensitive eyes, so I'm trying to be very cautious when applying this. Okay, that just like makes the eyes pop so much. Let me tell you guys the prices of these. This is the Perfect Strokes Longwear Gel Eyeliner. These retail for $19, and I told you guys there's 3 different colors. These are waterproof. They have a built-in sharpener as well, and it applies smoothly, which you guys just seen that it definitely does. It wears evenly and it applies precisely. You can put these in the waterline, but what I'm also going to do is I'm going to apply it to the top lash line. I'm going to take the brown shade. The brown shade is called True Brown. So we're taking the color True Brown. I'm going to be applying it right on top of the eyelashes. It literally is gliding on like butter. I'm going to take some more out here. And keep in mind, the eyes already looked amazing before, and we did that super quickly. But this is just like a little step up. I want to make the eyes look a little bit bolder. I am going to take a brush and then just start to diffuse the edges as best as possible. You know what? Let me take my finger. Ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, let me go on this side. Okay, that one looks a lot prettier. Let me go in with a little bit more. Should I do black? Why do I really like this? Like, I think I want to just leave it like that. Should I do black? I kind of want to do black. Let's do black. Yeah, I think that I just want to take it up a little bit more, like a little notch. I'm just going to put this to the outer corner of the lash line and also the top of the lash line right there. And with my finger, I'm going to blend. Okay, that looks really pretty. I think I'm happy with that. All I'm going to do now is I'm going to apply some lashes, mascara, and that's it. That's all we're going to do for eyes, because we're just reviewing the eyeliners, the brow products, and the shadow sticks. So, BRB. So I had forgotten that a mascara was actually in this collection that they sent me. So I'm using it right now. This is the Rare Beauty Black Mascara. I'll just put the price down below in the description box. All these products are going to be listed in the description box so that you guys can shop directly from down there. And if you guys do decide to purchase any of these items through my link, it supports me and my kids, and I really appreciate that. I really, really appreciate that, especially during summer. Girl, these kids are expensive, so you're helping me out. Do I even need any fake eyelashes with this look? Like, this mascara is already lifting them. It's giving them volume. Look at that. Applying it to the lower lashes. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to wear any fake eyelashes, only because I wanted to keep this video very natural, very quick, because this is kind of like the purpose of these makeup products. It's like for your everyday girl, one that doesn't have to wear full-on cut creases, somebody that has sensitive eyes. I love Selena Gomez and what she's doing with her brand. I actually just watched My Mind and Me for the first time, and I already loved Selena, but it just brought me closer to her, and I love that she's speaking out about her mental health and the things that she battles with. Like, not a lot of celebrities will do that until, like, it's too late, you know? Right now, I'm using the Rare Beauty Kind Words Matte Lip Liner in the color Gifted. And I'm also taking the matte lipstick in the color Lively. And that wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial of me using Rare Beauty's latest launches. If you guys have any questions for me, leave them down below. I will also link every single product that I used in today's video, including this lip combo, down below in my description box. And again, it supports me and my kids. I really appreciate your time. Thank you for clicking on today's video. I hope that you guys subscribe to my channel already and turn on post notifications so that you get notified every single time that I do have a new video here on my YouTube channel. And also make sure you guys follow me on my other social media platforms. I'm very active over on my Instagram. I take you guys usually through my day on my Instagram stories, and I'm on this weight loss challenge with myself. I'm really trying to do this for myself, and I have made, like, I just feel really proud of myself for pushing myself and also believing in myself. I think it takes a lot of mental work to put in that work at the gym and also put in that work in the kitchen to make these nutritious meals. I'm sharing with you guys a weight loss story. It's a highlight over on my Instagram. You guys can click on it and see what meals I'm eating to get to my goal with my weight loss. So thank you guys for supporting me. I will also leave you guys with my latest videos linked right over here. You can tap on any of these videos so that you can continue to hang out with me and get to know me a little bit better. I will hopefully see you in my next video. Bye guys.